The transformation of the stadium continues to move forward with visible progress across multiple areas. From structural developments to exterior enhancements, each section is gradually taking shape. In this update, we take a closer look at how different parts of the project are evolving and how everything is coming together step by step. The second-tier enclosures along the side sections continue to show impressive progress, with work advancing consistently across the structure. In a short period of time, nearly half of the enclosures have already been completed, significantly transforming the appearance of this level. The pace, efficiency, and coordination of the teams are clearly visible, and once fully completed, this section will play a major role in giving the stadium a much more finished and complete look. The third tier is now in its final stage of installation, with the majority of prefabricated seating units already in place. Only a small number of gaps remain, mainly in the south goal area and a few isolated sections, which are likely left open for logistical purposes such as crane access and material movement. Overall, this phase is nearing completion and represents one of the most advanced parts of the project. The decorative lamas are becoming increasingly prominent, especially in the lateral sections where sunlight highlights their structure and spacing. These facade elements are being installed progressively from the upper levels downward, and they are designed to extend toward the first VIP ring, creating a layered exterior look. The first VIP ring is advancing steadily with the installation of large glass panels, which define its open and premium exterior appearance. In contrast, the second VIP ring is currently in the enclosure phase, where external cladding structures are being added. This level will remain visually closed from the outside due to the combination of solid enclosures and the upcoming decorative lamas, meaning it will primarily have inward-facing views toward the pitch rather than outward visibility. In the south goal area, construction activity remains active with multiple elevated platforms in operation. Workers are focused on assembling structural components, including beams, diagonal supports, and internal access frameworks. This section also serves as a key area for ongoing installations and adjustments, reflecting steady but technical progress across different structural elements. The Tribune section is progressing steadily but remains behind the more advanced lateral areas. Exposed concrete structures are still visible, and facade elements like decorative lamas have yet to be widely installed. Some gaps in the upper tiers remain for logistical access, while limited platform activity suggests ongoing structural and finishing work. Overall, this section is still in a mid-stage of development, with key exterior details yet to be completed. At the top tier, the compression ring has reached an important milestone, with a total of 12 sections now installed and forming a clear and growing arc of the future roof structure. The installation is steadily progressing toward the south side, showing a well-organized and methodical construction sequence. What makes this phase particularly exciting is the increasing pace of work, as crews are now installing approximately one section per day. Overall, the project continues to advance with steady momentum as multiple sections move closer to completion while others develop step by step. The combination of structural progress and exterior detailing is gradually shaping the final look of the stadium, bringing it closer to its full realization with each passing update.